these walls are the stories that I can't explain. Leave my heart open, it stays right here empty for days. She told me in the morning she'll feel the same about us in her bones. Seems to me that when I die, these words will be written on my stone. And I'll be gone, 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 down beneath my feet, it's all the line. The way that I'll be floating around through time, with nothing in between. The story of my life, I'll make it cold. I'm not to keep it rolling down. The story of my life, I keep it cold. I sing with love, this is broken. The story of my life. Written on these walls are the colors that I can't change. Leave my heart open, but it stays right here in its place. I know that in the morning now, I see it from the light upon the hill. Although I'm broken, my heart is unstained. And I'll be gone, hiding in my skin. Faded out with the world, nothing in between. The story of my life, I'll take it home. I try all night to keep it rolling down. It's rolling. The story of my life, I give it all. I send it love until she's broken inside. The story of my life. And I've been waiting for this time to come around. But baby, running after you is like chasing the clouds. The story of my life, I take her home. I drive all night to keep her warm and time is frozen. The story of my life, I give her all. I send her love until she's gone.